In this video, we'll install the body control module and kick plate. Slide a washer onto one of the shorter bolts from the K22A bag and then push the bolt through the BCM. Add one of the short spacers and one of the long spacers from the K22A bag and then push the bolt through the bulkhead. Install a washer and nut from the K22A bag on the other side of the bulkhead. Repeat the steps for the second BCM bolt. Use a washer and the other short bolt from K22A. Slide the two spacers onto the bolt. Then install the washer and nut. Use a 5/32 Allen and a 7/16 socket to tighten the hardware. We like to add grip tape to the kick plate. You can get grip tape at a hardware store, but we prefer to use grip tape meant for skateboards. Align the top of the kick plate with the BCM and install the last BCM bolt with the washer. Place one of the short spacers between the kick plate and the BCM and then push the bolt through. Place the last two spacers behind the BCM and then push the bolt through the bulkhead. Install the last flat washer and nut. Use a 5/32 Allen and a 7/16 wrench to tighten the hardware. Install the three self-drilling screws across the bottom of the kick plate.